నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మ్యాథ్స్ ట్యూషన్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఈరోజు మనం ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ఫార్ములాస్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఫండమెంటల్ ఐడెంటిటీస్. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Next, sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Cot of a plus b is equal to cot a cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b. Cot of a minus b is equal to cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, which is same as 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Similarly, cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a, which is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, which is same as 1 minus 2 sin square a, which is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. From this, sin cube a is equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a by 4. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. From this, cos cube a is equal to cos 3a plus 3 cos a by 4. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Next, transformation of sums as products. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Next, transformation of products as sums. 2 sin a cos b is equal to sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. ఇవి ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీలో మనం మెయిన్గా యూజ్ చేసే ఫార్ములాస్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి. అలాగే ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ మీద మీకు వీడియోస్ కావాలనుకుంటే కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.